Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tubi app. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Tubi and you will enter in this window here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.